The Secret Wonders of Siirt. Emre stepped off the train, breathing in the warm, dry air. He was finally in Siirt. His Aunt Layla, beaming, rushed over to hug him. "Welcome, Emre. Siirt is waiting for us." Did you know Siirt is located in southeastern Anatolia, surrounded by mountains? It feels so high up, Emre observed, looking at the rolling hills. Layla smiled. Siirt sits at about 800 meters above sea level. We are close to the Dikil, Tigris, river basin. Tomorrow, we start with history, beginning with our magnificent Ulu Cami. The Ulu Cami Great Mosque was massive, with tall, intricate minarets. Layla explained, this mosque was first built by the great Seljuk ruler Mughizzeddin Mahmud in the 12th century. Look closely at the delicate tile work on the dome. It tells stories of long ago. After history, it was time for nature. They drove until they reached the edge of the incredible Botan Valley Canyon. The deep, jagged cliffs plunged down to meet the rushing Botan River below. This canyon is one of the deepest in Turkey, Emre. It's perfect for hiking and observation. All that exploration made them hungry. Layla led Emre to a traditional restaurant. In Siirt, you must try burian kebabi, she insisted. It's meat cooked slowly in a deep pit underground. We'll also have zivzik honey from Pervari, famous for its flower nectar. Next stop was the famous observation point, Delikli Tas, Hold Stone. This natural rock arch provides a breathtaking view over the canyon. Legend says if you stand here, you can feel the entire history of Siirt beneath your feet, Layla whispered. As they drove through the valleys, Emre noticed strange, small trees everywhere. What are these, Aunt Layla? They look like tiny acorns. Layla laughed. These are Siirt's famous pistachios. We call them bidum. Siirt is a major producer of these valuable nuts. They spent an afternoon at the Biloris hot springs. The natural mineral water flowed out warmly, surrounded by ancient stone ruins. This water is known for its healing properties, Layla explained. It's a perfect spot for relaxing after a long day of sightseeing. Siirt is a place of many voices, Emre realized. People here speak Turkish, Kurdish, and even Arabic, all living side by side, Layla shared. That rich mixture of languages and traditions is what makes Siirt's culture so vibrant, from our textiles to our folk dances. As the sun set, painting the mountains in hues of gold and rose, Emre felt a pang of sadness. I wish I could stay forever. Layla gave him a final hug. Siirt will always be here, with its deep canyons, ancient history, and sweet honey, waiting for your return.